the hell is wrong with me? The best part is I am in the parameters of the law because I didn't touch the van, and there's no law that says you can't shovel snow anywhere you want in public property. These are public roads, so maybe next time after I shovel out 5 fucking spots and y'all just want to make another mess when you come out in the morning and just throw your snow on the ground and leave and then steal someone else's spot and never shovel a spot, well, guess what, buddies? I think y'all gonna be shoveling something tomorrow, or you ain't going to work. We're going to the store. Yeah. Yep, and look, I shoveled this whole spot right here, right in front of them. That's where all the material came from. So now whoever comes here tonight can have that spot. And these, I got my spot. And these guys can deal with that mess in the morning. Glad to help you out, neighbors.